Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add filters and routers in Make to control scenario logic. We'll start inside your Make dashboard. Open the scenario you want to improve, the one that already has a trigger and at least one action. Think of your scenario as a flow. Data comes in through the trigger, moves through your modules, and ends in the action. Our goal is to control that flow so actions only run when the data meets the right conditions. The simplest way to add logic is with a filter. Between any two modules, you'll see a connecting line. Click that line, then choose Set up a filter. A filter acts like a gate. Data that meets your rule passes through, everything else stops at the gate. Give the filter a clear, descriptive name so you can recognize it later. For example, only Gmail, if you're screening by email domain. Then define the condition by choosing a field, an operator, and a value. For instance, email contains @gmail.com, amount is greater than 1000, or status equals approved. Pay attention to the operator you choose. Contains works for parts of text, greater than is for numbers, and equals is best for exact matches such as statuses. When you're done, click OK to save. From now on, the action module will only run if the condition evaluates to true. If it's false, the data simply won't move forward. Naming your filters clearly and keeping rules specific will make troubleshooting much easier later. If you need to branch your logic in multiple directions, use a router. Click the plus icon, search for router, and add it. The router splits your scenario into separate paths that can each handle different types of data. After adding the router, attach a filter to each route so every path has its own rule. For example, make one path for status equals new, another for status equals paid, and a third for status equals cancelled. This way, each piece of data follows the route that matches its status. Finally, customize what happens on each route by connecting the appropriate action. If the status is new, send a welcome email. If it's paid, send a receipt. If it's cancelled, send a notification. Clear route names and filter labels help you understand at a glance which path is doing what. As you build, keep your conditions consistent and values accurate. Matching the exact status text avoids surprises. With filters and routers in place, your scenario becomes both flexible and precise, automatically doing the right thing for every case.